Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments to check out this video. Going to be real quick, but I just want to say this. Look, if you're going to market anything online, any product, any service, any opportunity, okay, anything you want to market online, then I've got the system for you, okay? Now look here, I've been with this program for 6 years, and they won't let you down, okay? This is an incredible system, and it just keeps getting better and better. Now look at this. One program that stood the test of time, okay? Build a Biz Online has been helping affiliates and online business owners for nearly 2 decades with 30 plus marketing tools, brandable pages, and training designed to help you grow your lists, promote your existing programs, and earn more income. This is absolutely powerful, okay? Look here, it says long-standing platform that has been online and paying for years. Tools that help you promote your current businesses and offers. Ready-made splash and capture pages you can start using today. Training and support so you're never left guessing what to do next, okay? So I'm going to leave the link to this very page that you're looking at here, and take a look around. We've got a free system for you, free program, plus the upgrade. I've got the upgrade. I've been with the upgrade for many years, 6 years, okay? So, but that's up to you. But the thing is to take a look at this amazing program. But there you have it. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and amazing day today. Bye-bye now.